How to hide notification from lock screen on stock Android 15 device. By default, show the notification in the status bar on a device. To show or hide notification content on the lock screen, go to settings on a device. Scroll down up to notification. Tap the notifications. Again scroll down. Under the privacy section, you can find the notification on lock screen option. Tap on it. Here you can see three different options: show conversation, default and silent option, hide silent conversation and default notification. Or if you want to hide all notification from lock screen, choose the don't show any notification. So select the option you want to hide notification on lock screen. You can also enable or disable show sensitive notification when lock your phone. And the other setting you can use is go to display and touch. Tap on a lock screen in the lock display section. Here you can find the privacy option at the top. Now by default set show all notification content on the lock screen. Here you can choose show sensitive content only when unlock your phone, or don't show notification at all. So select the option you want to show or hide notification content on lock screen on your stock Android 15. That's it. If you like it, share it.